What's going on, guys? Got a good one for you today. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each, working for remaining reps. So we're going to start out with 50 double unders. Once you've completed 50 double unders, in the remaining time of that 2 minutes, you're going to do as many dumbbell thrusters as you're able to do. Then we get to rest for 2 minutes. So 5 rounds of 2 minutes of work. So let's talk about the movements. We've got double unders. Some things to think about in double unders is relaxed arms. Don't let the arms get too wide. Keep them in fairly close. We want to keep the hands slightly in front of your body. You should be able to see your hands in your peripheral vision. Think about your breathing during this time as well. Get into a cadence of breathing in on 3 or 4 jumps and breathing out on 3 or 4 jumps. See if you can get into that regular cadence of breathing. And then the dumbbell thrusters. For the dumbbell thrusters, we want to keep the elbows up high. In the bottom of the squat, we want to have an upright chest. We want to get our hip crease below parallel. One head of the dumbbell can rest on your shoulder. Elbows up and in so that they're away from your knees in the bottom of the squat. Squat below parallel and then stand up. Right as you get to the top of this stand, the full extension, stand up hard, fast. Let that weight jump off of your shoulders and then press it overhead. We want to finish with those dumbbells directly above your shoulders, biceps squeezing the ears. The rep is complete when your elbows are locked out, your knees are locked out, your hip is fully extended and open. You're going to do as many dumbbell thrusters as you can in the remaining time of that 2 minutes. And then we're going to rest for 2 minutes, and we're going to do it 4 more times for a total of 5 rounds. All right, guys, get after it.